So my wife is a even huger Star Trek fan than I am, and I created a monster. I got her hooked on the. I got her started with the original series, and then she just kept on going, and she's watching things that I've never watched. So, but I must say, I am a fan of. Well, I was a fan of Star Wars. I'm sorry, Disney, but you done messed up, Aaron. You done messed up with the Disney. You done messed up the Star Wars Disney. But Star Trek has always been consistently. They have gone a little with the language. They have gone a little too far with having language and content that is breaking too many barriers for me. But the quality and the consistency of the product has been the same since the 60s. I wish I could say the same about Star Wars. All right, what is next? So first, let's go with Joseph's inside garment, his underwear, his undershirt, tunic. Joseph's tunic. Well, I call it robe on this page, but we really know it's a tunic. Because eventually he's going to have... The whole point of this page is Joseph's robe. Brush first before going to the next page. And we're swiping, coloring. We're increasing the brush size. Did you get a chance to check out the game Stage 9 before CBS made them shut down? Game Stage 9. I don't know what you're talking about. Apparently I have not seen that. Uh-oh. There we go. So the answer would be no. I have not gotten a chance to see that. Is that a game? Saving recovery information. Recovery settings. Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, so that's all we got done there. Let's go to page 7 to find out what I did with Israel's robe. Let's steal this color from here. Did you get a chance to... Nope, I already read that. Stage 9, it was called. Fans were working on a full replica of TNG's Enterprise D with VR support. Huh. I did not hear about that. There is a guy who was working on finishing the 5-year mission. He was writing new episodes, and the Roddenberrys were on board with it. the surviving roddenberries, that is. Let's choose a color from not the light one, not the dark one, but the middle one, right there. Back to the brush, and boom. Well, you gotta respect CBS. You gotta respect the owner of the property. Just getting this flat color on this sleeve. The fun part is going to come putting all those colors on Joseph's robe. When I say fun, I mean challenging. I never realized how challenging this book was going to be when I first started. There are things about this that, for example, how long the story is. Why didn't I pick a shorter story? This story goes from chapter 36 to chapter 50 in the Bible. That's a pretty long story. Why did I pick one of the longest stories in the Bible for my very first book? There are vids of it on YouTube if you ever want to check it out. Okay, cool. Was a fan of the project. It was free. I think they had a Patreon type thing, but they weren't charging for the thing. It was a passion project. Just a few fans having fun. Yeah, that's why CBS was like, oh no, we can't have this. We need to make a profit. We are shutting this down unless they probably like, oh, this is a great idea. How much are you doing? How much are you making this for? Can we get a cut? We'll allow you to keep doing this if we get a cut. And they're like, oh, well, you can have 60-40 of $0 equals 0. Nope, sorry, shut it down. We're in business to make money. You know what fun is, kids? Money. Money is fun. Why all of a sudden do I sound like Krusty Krabs when I'm talking about money? Many, 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 many.